Listen to this.
Tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life?
Don't you want to be fully awake? Your soul ignited by a purpose.
Oh, God. Oh,
I'm serious.
that again.
Everybody's gotta live.
Diana Nyad,
world champion marathon swimmer.
The swim I want to do is 60 hours. That's Cuba to Florida.
Absolutely not. No. That's insane, Diana. You tried that when you were 28, and you did not make it when you're 28. You're 60.
I don't believe in imposed limitations. The only one who gets to decide if I'm through is me.
Okay, just a little swim. It's 100 miles or 60 hours of constant swimming. But what I'm most afraid of is sharks and man of war. I just know I can do it, and I couldn't do it without you.
Ah, right, okay.
Everybody's gotta live.
What you want to do has never been done.
I mean, especially not for a woman. Especially not for someone your age.
Everybody's gotta live.
Get her out!
Diana! You gotta breathe. Diana, breathe now.
4 tries and 4 failures.
You really don't get it, do you? You don't even think of me.
Of course I think about you.
I watched you die. You gotta live. But this isn't about you, okay? This is about me for once.
Imagine knowing you could do something that no one else could do.
I think we have a window.
Diana Nyad is back.
I know the world wants me to shut my mouth and sit down and wait to die, but I can't.
You are a force.
Diana, you got this. There's no one more Nyad than you.